guys, on today's video we're going to be taking a look at this floodlight, which by the way I already got another one from before, so I can already give you guys a few tips for it. Anyways, let's just unbox it. Alright, so in this shot you guys can see everything that you guys get within it, which does include the manual. It's very easy to use. So let me just open up the manual so you guys can see everything. And there you go. So it's pretty easy. You can program to different colors, a few different colors. According to this, you can even set up. However, I use a different timer for it, and that's because I wanted to turn on the same thing as my other stuff. I use Wi-Fi for that, so I don't really use the timer that comes with this, with the controller. You guys can see there, you guys can set up a timer for it. It does come with this. Take that out to activate the control, and now it works. So like I mentioned before, I already had another one of these, so I already know how to use it. And what I can tell you right away is that it works really well when you set it up. Now this one seems to be a little too tight here, so I'm gonna have to unscrew this just a little bit, because they put it way too tight out of the factory, way too tight already. But we can just set it up around, and there we go. Here we go. All right. So I just put it all the way around because it was just way too tight. I do have to loosen it up. And this is made so you guys can put it like that on the ground, or you guys will notice this on the back. And that's so, and it's strong enough, is could put it against the wall with some screws there, and then it can just stay there. So if you need something like that, this would be it. Now, quality-wise, I can really tell you that it's pretty good. This is not plastic, this is metal, which is what I like. It's semi-heavy, I guess. It does get warm. So like I mentioned before, I have used this before. So it does get warm, which is, I don't know what to say, unusual for an LED light, because it's not, but at the same time, it's not something that you would expect. Anyways, so it does have that appearance of being really thin, but it's actually kind of thick because of this and this part. So it is thicker than, maybe twice as thick as, or maybe even 3 times as thick as an iPhone, for example. So that gives you kind of an idea. However, around it, it does have that sleek look to it. And this right here, it's not so it turns off and on with the sun, by the way. That's just for your remote control. So that's kind of like the sensor. So when you point it, you have to point it this way. But anyways, I'm just gonna plug it in so you guys can actually see this in action, because that's why you're here to see. And then I do have a few shots so you guys can see how it looks outside the house at nighttime when it counts. Now this would be good, by the way, since it has so many colors. And this is why I bought it. I bought it for Halloween. However, for sure I'm going to use it for Christmas too, because it has a white light. That's the type of light I like. And that's the strongest light you guys get out of this, by the way. So you want a really strong light, it's going to be the white. And it's very strong. So automatically, once you plug it in, it does turn on. So that's how the light looks like. So again, once you plug it in, it turns on right away. You don't have to turn it on yourselves, which again, it's a good thing. If you guys have a separate timer, so you plug this into your timer, maybe it has Wi-Fi. Once this turns on, it's gonna turn on at the setting that you left it. Okay, so there's several settings here. I'm just gonna turn it off for now. Oh, I have to point it this way. So again, you have to point it this way so it catches that beam. And if you guys set it up, let's say I'm gonna turn it on, I'm gonna just leave it, there we go, I just press that to make it red. So if I just want this to be red and I have a timer for it, so with my timer the electricity goes off, right? So it doesn't deliver electricity here. And once it turns on, because my timer just lets electricity flow to this, then it's gonna just turn on at the last setting that I left it at. So if I left it here at red, it's gonna turn on red. Now if I left it another color or another one, it's just gonna go there. So the more you press this, it turns to different colors. So there we go, that color, I can turn it green. Well, not green, but if you press green, it's gonna go bluish until you get it to that turquoise blue color. Or if I mix it up with some yellow, we're gonna get it a little bit more green. Let me just put it this way. or there's a few settings here. So if I press this mode, for example, the fire mode, makes it pretty much just a soft red. Now, if I press this mode, on the other hand, it's gonna make it that green. And then this one is gonna make it this color, and then it's gonna kind of shift to other colors as well. So those are the main three modes, let's call it. And then what we got, let me just change it back into the green one. I can just go on and press this so you guys can see what that does. And there we go. So that's just different colors. Then we got this one. I'm gonna show you what each one does. But really, if you guys wanna see this in action, I'll show you in a minute how it looks at nighttime outside, because that's what really counts. But I wanna show you what every single one of these does. I'm gonna press this one. And this one's kind of hard to show you on camera. Let me just press this one. And when I turn it off, turn it on. There we go. Now let's just try different colors just to show you the variations. But again, I'm gonna show you how this looks outside as well. And there's white. White is the middle. That's extremely bright. I know you guys can't see that right now on camera. It's kind of hard to show you, but it's so bright. And again, I'm gonna do a few shots so you guys can see how that looks outside. And that's why this light's good for Halloween or even Christmas, or just as a regular floodlight for a tree or anything that you guys have outside for your house. Because you guys can just use the white light, which is a pretty nice light. So I'm just gonna turn it off. Now again, personally, I have not used the timer setting on this just because I have a timer with Wi-Fi already with other things. So I just plug this one into that. And luckily, once it turns on, it just goes to whatever last setting it was. So if I turn it on, it's just gonna go to that white light. Or if I left it red, it's just gonna go to the red light. So off, on, it just remembers your last setting, which is perfect. Usually what you guys want. Anyways, just around it, once again, just want to show you, there's no buttons around it. There's nothing, it's very simple. Now, if you ever lose your control, that would be a problem because there's no buttons around it. The battery itself, I'm going to show you what battery it comes with. So to open this up, and to open up any of these type of controllers, really, all you guys have to do is on the back, you guys will see this. And then just squish it kind of with your nail to the side, and then just pull this out. They should be popping out, and here's the battery. So it does come with this battery. I gotta say, with my other controller, the battery was almost dead, so I did have to change it kind of right away. So it was most likely left in the cold. And then to reinstall it, you just place it back here. And then you just slide it in, it locks in, and there we go. Now it works just fine. But anyways, right now, I'm just gonna show you how this looks outside, because it's actually really, really good. All right, so here's just one of the lights set up as red. Red would be the lightest color, well, the least strong color, that's what I should say. So it's the least strong color, and this is how much it gives you in power. So if I get away, you guys can see all the light that it's giving off. Now, just for fun, I put one inside the pumpkin, so it gives it that extra glow. And it's glowing all right, all the way through. A lot more, way more than any other light could do. So that's how the two lights that I have, same brand, look like. Both set at red, actually.